Hey guys, it's Caroline, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this little cash register I got for Christmas. Today is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. I did a haul, you can go check that out too. So let's do the review. Let me get it open first. Okay, so I got everything open, and on the bottom it was screwed to the cardboard. I don't even know why they would do that, but so yeah. So let's see what's in it. So first we have this weighing thingy, and you can turn it on and off. I don't know how you tell if it's on and off, but I think it needs batteries. I'm sure it does, and I'll put this in later. But so what we have is a cola thing. It's in French. It's in a red container. And then we have this apple juice. Next we have, this is all in French or some kind of different language, but it's cocoa. Cocoa. This is orange juice, and that's easy to know. This is milk. I think some of it's in English. This is iced tea. So there's those 6 things, and then we have the money, and in the money it comes with, let me open it. I didn't want to open it earlier because I didn't want it to go everywhere, so, okay, here we go, got it. And so in it we have this, oh, it fell, okay. We have this cute little credit card, and it goes right in here. Yeah, right in there. And so next we have the money, which I think it's just ones. No, whoa. There's 1s, 2s, 5s, 20s, 50s, and 100s. So I think there's everything but 10s, if I might know. There's everything. 1s, 2s. Okay, so there's even 2s. Anyway, so I'll put this in later, and then there's a bunch of coins. So, and they say the 10, it says 1, 2, okay. Anyway, so it says all that, and I'll get it in and then show you it. So there wasn't really a specific order to put it in, so I just put them all in here. You can see it? Yeah, and they go sideways. Oh, I didn't put the coins in, but anyway, so some of the coins fell, and there's a little, speaker thing. I don't know if it's actually going to work when I put the batteries in, but we will figure that out. So let me go get these batteries in, and I'll be right back. The batteries are in, and so let's try turning it on and see what happens. So I turned it on, it made a noise, and as you can see, if the camera will catch it, as you click the buttons and click this, it changes. And so, yeah. That is so cool. Okay, so what I just realized, and that was so cool, is that this little thing moves when you click this button. So let's put something on it so you can see. It's moving slowly, but it is moving. And so that's out. And it's so cool. I love that feature to it. So I don't really know what this part's for. Hello, 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 hello. Number 433. Okay, it works. Awesome. Oh my god. Oh wait, this is really cool. This is a drink. Okay. Okay. So anyway, yeah, I love this. I'm childish. I realize I'm very childish. I got a car for little mini animals that I like to play with. I'm childish. I realize. It's just so cool. Please get it. So guys, thanks for watching my review on this little cash register, and I never told you by, let us see, by Klein. It's by Klein, and it is just so cute, and I love it. I definitely recommend it. So, for children, I realize I'm 11. But anyway, so thanks for watching. You can go watch my Christmas haul. This was in the Christmas haul. And so, anyway, I guess that's all. Bye!